Just doing a quick review of the smoke and fire alarm that I got from Target, $6.98, and it's a smaller footprint. That's why I'm trying to get. That's why I got it. Let me open it up. Okay, here it is. It's really small footprint. So it's gonna hang like this. It's really small, and it uses a this type of battery. Can you see? Don't blur me, don't blur. It's a CR2 battery. I think it's a camera battery, ultra long-lasting ones. And since I'm not gonna use it yet, I'm just gonna put the tape back in there. Anyway, it hangs like this. And it comes with the screws. Easy. There's two holes here you can put on the ceiling, and it's really cool looking. You know, it's cool looking. Plus, it doesn't take that much space. Look like futuristic stuff. Hey, this is the old type alarm here, and there's another one right here. I'm probably gonna replace this one with the one I just got, because I think this is only the smoke detector, not the fire and smoke alarm. Anyway, the new one will look good in here, and hopefully it does. It works good too. Hopefully. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.